Hello there, my name is Benjamin and thank you so much for joining me once again in the studios of BlabenSolutions. So in today's very video, I will be teaching you how we can use this very image to create a very beautiful thumbnail for our YouTube videos. It could be our Fiverr gigs as well. But before we begin, let me take this opportunity to say a very big thanks to you for clicking this video. If this is your first time of being in here, this is BlabenSolutions and we are into the production of graphic design video tutorials. If you think videos of this nature will be of great benefit to you, then I encourage you to hit the subscribe button, check the notification bell so as to be the first person to be notified each and every day, every time we release a new video. Do well to also like, share and leave your thoughts in the comment box below. If you are already a part of us, thank you for showing up once again. Without any further ado, let's quickly get started. So with this very image, I have saved this image in a JPEG format. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, first of all, let's create a working space that we will be working with. So click on new. First of all, click on file and click on new. Then we have this interface. So I'm going to be naming this thumb. Good. I will be working in pixels, 1920 by 1080. Right, everything is intact in here. 300 resolutions, RGB color, white background, and I think I'm good to go. So the first thing I'm going to do is, I have an image that I want to import. Let me quickly bring that image in here. So that is the image. Wow, this is the image. So holding your shift key, I'll be scaling this to cover the entire canvas area. Okay, hit enter and we have this in here. So the next thing I'm going to do is, I'm going to import the image that we created. Just a quick one. If you haven't watched the video on how I designed this image, please do well to check the description below. There's a link to that video and do well to watch it as well. Thank you. Alright, let's continue. So in here I can do the importation. This is a JPEG format, right? So I'm going to hold and drag this and I'm going to place this in here, something this way. Hold my shift key to scale this something this way. Well, I'll be adding a stroke to this image. So hit enter when you are done scaling it, right? So let's come to our add layer style and let's click on stroke. I'll be adding a stroke color of this very color. Okay, hit OK, and with the size, I'm going to increase the size to something like, I think 7 is okay. Let's hit OK when we are done, and let's put this in here this way. Right, the next thing I'm going to do is, I'll be typing this very cute matte online shop Turkish delight spices. I'll be typing them in here, but here's the case, I have this already in here, so I'm not going to do any typing. I'm just going to hold and bring this right in here. It will look small, but I would have to do the necessary modifications to it. Let me change the font color of the Turkish delight to white. After doing this, let's quickly add a drop shadow to this entire text. What I did was, I've grouped all these together in one group. So with this group of layers selected, come to the add layer style and let's go to drop shadow, so we can drop or add shadow to it. Let me make this 116 116 and let me make the distance 11. Good. So everything is looking good in here. The next thing I'm going to do is, I'm going to do this entire thing in here. So let me quickly do, I could have done the typing, but since I have everything in here, I'm just going to hold and drag and bring them one after the other, right? So let me hold and bring this in here this way. Control T, and I'm going to scale this big enough. Alright guys, so this brings us to the end of today's video tutorial. I believe you really enjoyed yourself, and if you did, please do well to give me a like and also making sure to subscribe to the channel. Share the video and leave your thoughts in the comment box as well. Until I come your way next time, it is still BlabenSolutions, and thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video.